Okay. This one's for you, Ma. Alright, that's a day gel cream. I use that to prime my eyes too. Okay. I'm gonna jump into eyes. Grab your tape. You don't have to use tape, you can clean it up at the end with a baby wipe. Or makeup wipe, whatever, how bougie you are. I don't know. And then if you're gonna use tape, to make sure your lines are like clean, make sure you lay it at the same angle. So you're gonna want it going like 65, whatever the heck that is. Because if it's not laying right, your eyeliner's gonna be like pointing at just weird. Yeah. Which mine probably is, but I don't really care. So there's that. But you don't want it to be super obvious. Like, you don't want this one down here and then this one like up here. Just, yeah. Fluffy. This one. All over. Okay, so that right there is gonna help you put a crease color and transition it. You know, it's gonna help you move it around. It's your base. Okay, now this one. I'm gonna put that in the crease right here. Just blend the shit out of it, you know? Okay. You see what I got going on here? I need to do my eyebrows. That's what I got going on. Oh, that's annoying. Okay. I'm gonna take this red one right here and just barely tap it. And I'm gonna take this dark brown one, barely tap it twice. And I'm gonna pop that right here. I just wanna focus it on the outer V. You could use a smaller, compacted, fluffy brush to be more precise with it. I'm poor, so I don't have a ton of brushes, so this is what I do. I just try to be careful and hope for the best. Alright, just gonna do the same over here. I like the red. I feel like it breaks up the brown a little. Okay. Alright. It's 5 minutes already. Wow. Hi, Goose. Goose. Hi. Okay. I think it looks alright. Now, going out to breakfast, no, lunch, something, with some people I don't know today. Gonna meet them. So excited. I don't know. I don't know if I should be nervous. I don't know. Just want my makeup to look good. That's all I know. If I know my face is looking right, I won't mind. I won't be any type of worried. Okay. I need to darken this one up a little. I'm gonna pop some more red in here. I darkened it up with Knockout on the outer V. That's what I just did there. I'm gonna take Relish and just pop that over the top. Just because I like it. Another way I like to do this, like another similar look with this particular palette, is to take this, start with this, go in the crease with this one, 7x7, and then use a tiny bit of Knockout to darken in the crease on the outer V. Then boom, boom, there's a look right there. Super simple for like work or something. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Then back to the being poor and not having brushes and taking this color, Girl Crush. And I'm gonna use my pinky and pop that on right here in the middle of the lid, right under that crease color. I mean, it looked fine. This look looked fine before putting on this like foily red color. You could put something else here that's a little like more toned down than this if you want to be taken a little more seriously. But I like this. It's my go-to for the last couple days. At the end, it all ties together. Looks pretty good in my opinion. I'm rocking with it. All right. What a beautiful morning. Okay. Hi, girls. Got my pupper here. Hi. You don't want to say hi? Okay. All right. Now we're gonna go with eyeliner. I used the Milani Stay Put. Yeah. 17-hour wear. Wipe off the sides. Like I said, this video is mostly for my mom. So wipe off the sides so you don't have too much. I generally start like right about here. And then I bring it out. And then after I do from about here out, I like to go back into the inner corner. Just bring it in. Sorry. I don't know how to film this. Shit. You see what I done did there? That's when you're gonna have a thick eyeliner day. Thick as hell. But I like the red because you see how my green and my eyes pop? Yeah. Aren't they complementary colors? I think that's the complementary color of red is green, so that's gonna pop more. Who? Why? No, no. No, we're not doing that. Go. Go. No. No, don't give me that. Go. Okay. See, this tape is gonna make sure that line is crisp. Hey, you're very talkative right now. Yeah, this video might get privated. Alright, take a gander at that liner. It's aight. It's not my best. I could do eyeliner without tape. It's just so much easier to do it with tape. So that's what I do. I got some really cheap tape, so it doesn't really hurt the skin when you take it off. If you have good tape, put it on the back of your hand first, peel it off, and then put it there. Or wherever you want it, just so it doesn't tug at your skin too much. Alright, that eye's done with the eyeliner. Jeez Louise, it's almost 15 minutes, this is all I've done. It's all y'all's fault, I'm talking to you. Sometimes I start on the wing, it just really depends how I'm feeling. I do a straight line down. I try to keep it thin toward the out, like the furthest point. Then about, just gradual. You just gotta like figure out where you're gonna start making it thick. Okay. Don't want to mess up. But it's okay. Like, when you're learning to do eyeliner, if you mess up and say you get like a dot way up here, you're gonna have some thick ass eyeliner that day. But it's okay, because it's a look. And sometimes when you're doing a look, that's the eyeliner you need. So like, even the mess ups, work with it, and you might want to do that on purpose at some point. It's okay, honey. See, she's jealous I'm talking to the camera. Go get your toy. Thanks for words. Stop it. I'm gonna take her OUTSIDE. Play with her after this.